This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Bob Weyrauch. Motivated seller, will do lease option or lease purchase. Can lease right away. First floor unit with double master split floor plan. No carpet, marble floors and new vinyl plank floors in bedrooms. Modern kitchen with granite tops. Washer and dryer in the unit. Nice community amenities include 24-hour manned gate entrance, large clubhouse with fitness room and on-site manager, heated pool and SBA, tennis court, tot lot play area, TIKI barbecue area. Pet friendly too. For more information, review the details below or contact Bob Weyrauch at 561-283-7370.